Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself a telling no what go on for not to go on. You see me, so as you can see on the screen, Masicka, embarrassment, ticket sales flop. And as you can see with Alkaline, bereavement instead of breach of contract. Yes, people, it's not looking good for Reggae Sunfest. Remember Reggae Sunfest? It's not looking good for CJ, Milan and Reggae Fest because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No ticket now sell. No ticket now sell. And this is why Alkaline, Masicka, and a lot of these other artists that can't sell tickets, they need to reduce their booking price. You see what I say? Because it's not looking good on the promoter and it's not looking good on them. Now, with Alkaline situation, I'm going to show you why this girl is owed millions of dollars now. Alkaline never sold a ticket, so she had to cancel the event. The Sima said, yeah, she told Alkaline fans she's rescheduling, but she told the Barclays Center she's going to cancel. You know what I mean? You know the thing go with these things. No reimbursement, meaning no cash refunds, but they give you credit. Right, so you have to spend it back with them, meaning you can get back a next date in the future. But you just have to agree upon the date. As you know, she cancelled Alkaline show them and Mavada show them. So you know she had booked Spice for one next show. And now she's booking Masicka. You see what I say? Now remember, she get back the arena money she used for book Alkaline, but she never get back Alkaline booking money. You see what I say? And other expensive. You know what I mean? So she's banking on Masicka for sell out, this show in Barclays Center. So she can make back the money she lose with Alkaline plus some. You see what I said? But she's going to be losing a lot more money because just like with Alkaline, him not sell tickets. Just like with Masicka, him not selling tickets. So she can't use the same cancellation and bereavement thing again this time around. So, you know what I mean? If it flop, the whole world is going to see that. You see what I say? And Masicka at the end of the day is going to get paid to perform in front of nobody. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And the reason why Gaza Nation is beating CJ Milan is the way how she went about promoting Alkaline show like it did better than Cartel thing. It sell more tickets than Cartel thing and it does 10,000 seats themselves. You see what I say? Yeah, so that's why Gaza Nation really like take it to CJ Milan because if you have book your artist, them no problem. But don't come try style Cartel thing. And this is why Reggae Fest kind of how should I say? I don't want to say outdone itself, but it's still out itself. Too much events is keeping in 1 year. You see that said, them should have deal with it like Reggae Sunfest and just have one yearly event. Everybody knows so when July forward, Reggae Sunfest time. You see me? CJ is trying to capitalize, off of, dancehall basically. You see what I say? And the Caribbean community in America. That's why she's throwing a lot more events. Yes, right. And that is the reason why she's using Masicka, Alkaline, Vibes Cartel, Spice, Shensi and them because they want their name to be just as big as Reggae Sunfest. So when you see Reggae Fest, you know say some top of the top artists are going. But boy, me think she really, I don't want to say outdone herself again, don't sound redundant, but yeah, she that got too hard, you see me? And all of them profits she make with Cartel, she end up come lose. But Alkaline and Masicka and them cannot ticket now sell. And right now everybody look on Reggae Fest as a flop. You see me, my people? But me just giving them quick update while going for the to go on. She was refunded in the terms of being credited. So that's what she did when she cancelled on Alkaline. You see me, I said Barclays Center give her a refund in credits. And then she used it back to use the arena to book Masicka. But it doesn't look like she's going to make anything back and definitely going to lose again. And you can press pause and read the terms of the agreement in front of one. But me just giving them a quick update, yeah, you see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the see. But on the screen, and in the meantime, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest, you see me? Bless.